Can you breathe for me? Can you join me with this chant? Color me love, color me love, color me beautiful. 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 Color me love. Color me beautiful, color me love, color me beautiful, color me love, color me beautiful, color me love, color me beautiful, color me beautiful, color me beautiful. Color me beautiful. The colors of the rainbow, the colors of the sunset, the colors of the clouds, the colors of the water, the colors of the trees, the colors of the flowers, the colors of the clouds. Colors, 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 colors. Hey, the colors of the universe that you be. Colors you might only see in a dream. All the hues and shades in between as we strive to keep the mothership green. What colors of this universe have you seen? The eyes only see a fraction of the scheme. The blind see colors on the inner screen. The colors of soul, if you know what I mean. Birds see colors that we can't see. I wonder what colors can be seen by a bee. Every single color can set you free as the colors of the universe flow through we. So do we flow as the colors of the universe flow through we. So as the colors of the universe, so color me love, color me beautiful, color me love, color me beautiful, color me love, color me beautiful, color me love, color now. And naming your colors can cause confusion. Have you ever seen a color that was not an illusion? No, colors are illusions of light. Illusions of light. You see, so maybe it's all an illusion. I think it is, right? You know, maybe it's all an illusion. I think it's just an illusion. Yeah, maybe it's all an illusion. Well, I think it's just an illusion, you know. Or maybe light energy flowing through me. I think it's light energy flowing through me. Maybe it's light energy flowing through me. I think it's light energy flowing through me. Or maybe it's all an illusion. I think it must be an illusion. I think it's all an illusion. I think it must be an illusion. So if you're gonna color me love. Color me love. Color me beautiful. 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 Color me love. Now it's black, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Haha, indigo, violet. That's the spectrum. It's black, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Indigo, violet. Yeah. It's black, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Oh, it's indigo, violet. One more time. It's black, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Indigo, violet. Hey, so, color me love, color me beautiful, 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 color me love, color me beautiful.